Hey, good morning, Mark again from Panel Perfect. Today we've got a 19 plate Vauxhall Mokka with a dent, as you can see behind me, somewhere there. Let's see what we can do. This car was I believe about a month old, maybe not even a month old when it got this dent, random car park dent. Just came back to the car and it was there. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So I will show you the dent, I'll show you it before and after, and if you've got any questions, feel free to contact me. Thanks. Okay, so here's the dent. As you can see, there's a body line that we need to rebuild up. It's a fairly decent sized dent. The outside edge of the dent is probably maybe the size of a tennis ball or so, and that's what we're up to today. Got a bit of depth to it, so I've got to be careful not to overstretch or cause any issues there or pickle up the paint. With this particular colour, it would be an awful colour to match as well. The oranges and metallics and things can be very, very tricky to match, so the customer didn't want the car painted, understandably, and so came to us. So I'll show you it in a minute. Okay, here we go with the 19 plate Mokka. It is a Mokka, yeah. So yeah, with the 19 plate Mokka after repair. Well, happy with that. Like I said, tiny bit stretch, but we managed to control the controller stretch, and it's come out really well. Hi there, Mark again. All done with the Mokka repair, as you can see behind me. Happy that it's come out nice and clean. I'm sure the customer will be ecstatic as well. If you end up with a dent and you are in the Gloucestershire area, give us a call and hopefully we can help you out. Visit our website, panelperfectpdr.co.uk, or give me a ring. Speak to you soon.